matter of months, the unknown virus almost drove the entire humankind to extinction. The few survivors had to take care of themselves, use penicillium fungi to make antibiotics, use improvised materials for soap, design engines that run on firewood to save gasoline that is harder to get by the day.
There are many different kinds of viruses. So, your actions in case of a worldwide zombie apocalypse. Would you take care to get the right arsenal and go on the warpath? Or rather, make a citadel out of your home? In any case, it is first and foremost about survival.
At 3 a.m. this morning, the East Coast suffered a nuclear attack. The explosions brought about the nuclear winter. We had to learn to survive in a hazardous environment. And worst of all, identify and assess the risks. Create radiation shielding gear and communication technologies, hoping to reach out to someone.
Do you believe global warming is a myth? Or a real problem we'll have to face in the future? When half of our lands go down into the sea, we'll have to upgrade our cars. In drought-ridden environments, we'll have to learn how to find water and filter it. Food is also essential, as well as alternative energy sources.
The key to survival lies in the 4 books. Normal life may be over at any moment, so you have to stand ready for anything. Are you sure you know all you need to know?